So I want to talk to you a little bit about two things, customer service and single booking. I'm sure you guys have had an experience where you've gone to the doctor or potentially another dental office and you've sat in a waiting room, you've waited for a long time past your appointment, or you've actually gone back into the treatment or the operatory and there's been multiple times where your doctors had to come in and out of the operatory. One of the things that we do differently at RR Dentistry is we don't double book our doctors. So what that means in our world is I have one patient in one op, I'm already working on a procedure, and while that procedure is scheduled, there's another patient whose appointment is scheduled to overlap that. It's very common in dentistry. A lot of the things that we do, our assistants help us with, and there's multiple times when a doctor can leave the room and have part of the other team do it. It's for efficiency, it's obviously for profitability. All of the providers at RR Dentistry's preference is to be able to focus on one patient at a time. So when we book our patients, we only book one patient for that total period of time so that we can focus just on you. There are times when we do have to leave the operatory because our patients that are getting cleanings need quick exams, but I want to assure you that we don't have two operative patients booked at the same time so that all of the providers can be focused just on you when your scheduled time is with us.